Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this book I just got called Cashing the WSOP Main Event. In-depth analysis of 54 poker hands from my WSOP main event by Jonathan Little. So Jonathan Little is a good poker tournament player. He cashed. He got this book, wrote this book. I'm going to write a book like this after I cash the main event one day. Here is a summary of the book on the back. Man, he cashed back in 2014. What's up with that? Any other cashes recently? So I don't know how relevant this will be. I mean, table of contents is pretty funny. They're just talking about certain hands each day. Like, it doesn't give a summary on what each hand is, just legit 54 hands. Oh, tournament cheat sheet, that's what we need. 216. Alright, so we're lazy, so this is just straight up hands. Okay, what about tournament cheat sheet 2016 call? It's not the most colorful book. I mean, main event's about a month away. Cheat sheet, let's go. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you're all doing well. Let me know what you think of this book in the comment section. I will drop a link in the video description on where I got this from. And yeah, let me know what you think of this. All right, good luck in your poker tournaments, guys. See you next time. Later.